Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of accessory installs on the all-new Outlander. Today we'll have a look at this. This is a beautiful diamond red Outlander 2022, and we'll do the body side moldings that match the color. I've done before a lot of red or black, and basically any type of color with black accessories, which looks awesome. And then a lot of viewers ask how would they look if they would match the body color. So right now, today, we'll have a look what I call a 4-step install process on the Outlander, and it's going to be body side moldings matching with the beautiful diamond red. So the 4-step install process is quite easy as follows. So number one, you need to prep the surface. Make sure there's no dust, no nothing. Number two, you need to line up the accessories where they have to go with generally help of the masking tape. Number three, you need to remove the stickers that are, and then glue to the body of the vehicle. And number four, most important, you gotta enjoy the end result. So that's our 4-step install process. So now let's proceed with step number two, because I already cleaned the vehicle, and that will be lining up the accessories where they have to go. And now let's match the passenger door first. So we line up with this line right here, and we can see how the paint of the vehicle matches the body side molding. It's diamond red, and it has this nice sparkle. Luckily today is a beautiful sunny day, and it's the perfect situation for installation. So we line up first where we want the side molding to go, and then we just put it in this place with this masking tape, right? And now once this is done, so we're basically kind of make sure that we're happy with everything that we see, and then we flip it over like this, remove the sticky part, and flip it back like this. And now that we have everything in place with masking tape, it's quite easy. So there's not a whole lot of room for error. And now we just make sure we push it a little bit. And once everything's going to be done, we'll push it a little bit harder, make sure like all the accessories stick and whatnot. And then the next thing we apply is this chrome line right here. It goes on top. So here no masking tape is needed. We just basically make sure the ends are lining up. Remove the tape. And again, just don't rush. Make sure you're happy with what you're doing. I always like to press it against it a little bit before I press against the door. So, okay, so same thing. We apply medium pressure, so to speak. Okay, take a step back. Let's have a look how it turned out. Okay, pretty cool. That chrome line stands out a lot. Obviously red with red kind of blends in a little bit, but we can see that there's an actual side molding. So now let's proceed with this Outlander. And here for the rear passenger door, it's same idea, right? So we have this molding right here. The only tricky part here is these letters, Outlander, they're separately. So you can like take them out. They don't come with the side molding. They're not pressed into side molding, right? So there we see the middle part of the letter D was already in there. So, and then here what we can do is first we can line up, and then we'll remove everything basically one by one. This one definitely takes a little bit more time. Just allocate for that. Okay, so are we happy? Yes, we're happy where it sits. So now what we do is we flip this over. Okay. And there's two ways how we can do it. We can remove these letters now, or we can then take them out and remove them one by one. Both options are good. Just be careful if you remove them like this, and when you flip it back in its place, some of the letters might fall out, right? Because they're put here individually. We want to make sure we don't wreck them. Okay. And the last letter L, there we go. So now let's flip it back in its place. Make sure nothing falls out. Okay, same thing, medium pressure first, and then we'll do harder press once everything's done. Let's press the letters as well. Remove the masking tape. Remove this part right here. Okay, and now let's just remove the double-sided tape from these letters and just put them in. So they literally just take them out, remove it, and stick it in. And now that we've done this part, the last thing to do is to add the chrome line. Same thing here, we just place it. No masking tape needed on this. Just make sure we like everything what we see. Yes. Remove it and just put it on. Just like this. Medium pressure first, and then we'll do a bigger push when we're done installing. Okay, that's done. And now right away we can proceed to part number 4, the last part, enjoying the end result. So this is how it looks, red on red, beautiful red diamond with red Outlander side moldings. This chrome line stands out a lot, and then these Outlander letters, that's to me what finishes off like the entire side really good, because you have this chrome line right here. You have, if you have 20-inch machined aluminum wheels, that goes well really together, and then front dynamic shield design goes well as well. I think it came out really nice, very easy to install it yourself. Just take time, don't rush, and that's the end result right here. So looks pretty cool, I think. Same thing we're going to do on the other side, but this is how it looks for all the people that are asking how would red on red look. This is your answer right here. I think it looks very good. It's very classy look. I like it a lot, and especially this chrome lookalike line right here and the Outlander lettering looks very, very beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. You can visit my accessory shop to place an order for this. Free shipping to Canada, US, Australia, New Zealand, Puerto Rico, basically majority of places you're going to get free shipping. So there we go. I'm going to link my accessory shop website in the description. You can find it, or it's always somewhere in the comments as well. So this is how we did the install. Didn't take all that much time. It's just important. Clean the surface, line everything up, stick it on, don't rush, and enjoy the end result. So thank you so much for watching. See you in next videos.